Learn farm animal names and sounds with Barn Toy for Kids. This is a cow. A cow says moo, moo. This is a donkey. A donkey says hee-haw, hee-haw. This is a horse. A horse says neigh, neigh. This is a turtle. A turtle doesn't say much. This is a pig. A pig says oink, oink. This is a rooster. A rooster says "Arr, arr, 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 arr." This is a horse. A horse says neigh, neigh. This is a cat. A cat says meow, meow. This is a sheep. A sheep says bah, bah. This is a duck. A duck says quack, quack. This is a dog. A dog says woof, woof. This is a goat. A goat says bah, bah. This is a farmer. This is a cow. A cow says moo, moo. This is a sheep. A sheep says bah, bah. This is a rabbit. Rabbits don't say much. They just like to hop around a lot. This is a pig. A pig says oink, oink.